Struggling with chaotic warehouse task allocation and equipment downtime? Wish your warehouse could auto-optimize routes, monitor real-time tasks, and sync equipment data in one platform? Discover how WCS intelligently assigns tasks to personnel and AGVs for seamless, efficient operations. The core responsibility of WCS is to intelligently assign warehouse tasks to personnel and equipment, ensuring efficient execution. Let's explore its features. After logging in, you'll see the production monitoring dashboard. It shows real-time summaries of production status and task backlog, along with alerts for task, equipment, or message anomalies. You can also view a list of equipment, their working status, and battery levels. Below, a 24-hour task summary displays hourly completion statistics. At the bottom, task progress monitoring shows real-time task durations and execution status. Warehouse management provides the essential data for task scheduling. In map management, you can view the current equipment layout and upload updated maps. Once uploaded, the system automatically distributes the new map to all devices. In the map details, you can view upload history, including version number, uploader, and timestamp. You can also download maps locally. Region management lets you define operational zones. For example, you can group storage locations into a picking zone so that manual task assignments are prioritized within the same area. You can import region location relationships in bulk using templates. Storage locations are the basic task units. In the Location Management module, you can define multiple location types to meet various task needs and manage their status based on scheduling requirements. Picking stations are designed for pick-to-AGV operations. Nearby storage locations can be assigned to the same station, enabling the AGV to handle multiple tasks at once. The location station mapping can be imported in bulk, making setup and maintenance more efficient. Site management oversees all operational stations in the warehouse, including manual picking or packing stations and equipment charging rest stations. For stations that require AGV tasks, map coordinates must be configured for proper routing. Queue-enabled stations can be set with queue limits to improve throughput and reduce wait time. In route configuration, you can view and update device routes. The system selects optimal paths to prevent detours or traffic conflicts. You can also manage map coordinates to match operational positions. The data dictionary manages enumerated values used throughout the system, allowing you to customize display names based on business needs. All task-related containers, such as pallets, bins, cartons, and bags, are centrally managed. You can generate container codes in bulk and print barcode labels. Each container's current location and associated equipment can be tracked in the list view. In device management, you manage all automated warehouse equipment. When adding new devices, the system supports multiple connection methods and protocols to meet vendor requirements. The device list shows status info such as battery level, location, current task, and container. You can occupy, notch, release, pause, resume devices as needed. WCS supports automatic charging via various strategies. These include forced charging at low battery, auto stop upon full charge, disable tasks at low power, resume work only when charged, yield to charge for low power units, and idle time charging prioritization. Task management tracks the entire life cycle of every job. A job is a business requirement such as put away, picking, or packing. Jobs can be grouped using flexible strategies like by order or wave picking. Tasks are then generated by combining jobs based on these strategies. Once tasks are generated, they are assigned to people or devices. Multiple assignment strategies are supported, including task prioritization, parallel tasks, shared paths, and path similarity scoring. Assignments are optimized through multi-factor decision-making based on capability, location, and status. After assignment, the system orchestrates people and devices via a decision tree. For AGV picking, the system first sends the robot to a box refill station to load empty bins based on its rack structure. After loading, the AGV is sent to the nearest picking point. The system displays required items, quantities, and locations. During picking, exceptions like wrong location, missing items, or damaged goods can be reported. If no issue occurs, scanning and quantity confirmation completes the task. If more items need picking, the system guides the AGV to the next location. When a bin is full, a full bin operation is triggered. If empty bins remain on the AGV, the system prioritizes those. If no empty bins are available, the remaining tasks are reassigned to another AGV. Once picking is complete, the AGV is sent to the packing station to drop off bins. The packing task is submitted and the AGV returns to standby mode. The command list records every instruction given to devices and operators throughout the task, including status, details, time sent, and time completed. In webhook settings, external systems can subscribe to event notifications such as task execution, picking completion, packing, or container unloading. Configure callback URLs here to enable real-time message push. Both sync and async modes are supported, and messages can be transformed via configurable execution functions to fit different formats. Retry logic is built in for failed messages. In the message list, you can view all messages sent to subscribed systems. Details include content, timestamps, failure reasons, and retry counts. Failed messages can also be manually resent. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful guides. See you next time.